First, I open my Illustrator and open my drawing file. Check the description box for drawing file link. Now, use a line segment tool. Now take its. Then its sum rotate. And now it's copy. Then it's a select and again copy. Now again, it's copy and some rotate. Okay. Now select one and I rotate 90 degree. Angel. Then it's copy. Then select and I use a shape builder tool. Now this copy and some rotate. And it's copy. And then ITS copy for the other side. Okay. Now, color selection. And then take a shape. Okay, today's video is end, so please subscribe my channel. Bye. Thanks for watching this video.